Hello guys, it's Ashley over here, the founder of DITSHEGO Capitals. So yeah guys, just like to continue off from our previous videos which I've uploaded on my YouTube channel. So yeah, as you can see on the previous videos, I never got to analyze and show you how to trade the horizontal channel, which is what we'll be focusing on today's video. And yeah, from here on we'll also do the rising channel, which I haven't covered yet. But if you guys read through the book, and I believe most of you have, and I would also like to appreciate all the reviews that I've been getting from each and every one of you guys. I truly appreciate it, and yeah, hoping and wishing you all success in terms of trading. So yeah, the horizontal channel, which is like the basic support and resistance, the key when it comes to trading, that's the first thing that you need to understand when it comes to technical analysis. Support and resistance are surely the most important price level, by only having the lower trend line, which is the support, and the upper trend line, which is our resistance. Price will usually consolidate in between this price level, which means like it's ranging in between this price level. They can be traded on both the long buying, which is the buying, or short selling position, depending on the confirmation breakout, unlike the flags, which are slowly continuation chart patterns. So yeah, here's an example you can also see over here. And yeah, I just like to go back to the chart so that I can be able to start and show you how to analyze and be able to trade them on the technical platforms. Even though this data on all the videos that I'm using is previous charts, which is unlikely for me to do it on the current charts, but definitely looking into doing like weekly reviews or Sunday setups and such kind of things. We would analyze the market and do a video and upload each and every weekend on my YouTube channel, so that you guys can be able to trade and analyze it along with me. But yeah, anyway, let me get started on this one here. If I was to trade to draw my support, my resistance, my resistance trend line, it will definitely be somewhere around this level. Let me take it down a bit. Okay, perfect. And then we're having our support level right over there. So yeah, basic support and resistance. Price has been like kind of ranging, rallying upwards over here, and then all of a sudden start consolidating or ranging in between these two price levels, which is your basic support and resistance. We've seen on our resistance trend line, we had like 1, 2, 3 touches over there, and 3 or 4, actually like say 3. So 3 touches on our resistance and 3 touches on our support. And you guys, I know I've been saying this a lot. For a complete chart pattern to form, it has to touch a minimum of twice on either support or resistance. On both support and resistance. So in this case, it has touched over 2 times, which is like 3 on the support and 3 on the resistance, which makes it a perfect chart pattern. And here around April 2017, when was it, like the 11th, 12th, that's where we had our confirmation breakout. And then if we were to trade this chart pattern, we definitely look at placing our entry right around this level, where you can also like use this previous data to place in your entry. From here on, as usual, 50 pips for your stop loss, okay, and 100 pips for your target. So this would be our target there, and stop loss right here. That makes it a risk reward of 2:1, which is completely perfect. Anything above 2:1, I truly recommend anything above 2:1. So as you can see here, we have a perfect entry. Our pending order, which is our entry level here, stop loss right there, and target. Let me draw it by using this. Just like I used to do on my previous videos, and have this in green, to indicate, yeah, having it in green to indicate it as our target. And select the, let me remove these lines as well. So yeah guys, simple. We have like our support and resistance over here. Price has been consolidating, touches 3 times on our resistance level, 3 times on our support. We get to have a confirmation breakout here on the 11th of April, and that gives us an indication to sell this since it broke on our resistance trend line, and I mean our support, sorry, on our support trend line it broke, and then it gives us a confirmation to sell. Our stop loss 50 pips and 100 for target. And yeah, that's it for the USD JPY hour time frame, which we've been analyzing over here. I'd like to move on to another chart pair, another currency pair, which we had a horizontal channel. So yeah, here's one here. That would be our resistance and our support right here. Same thing. In this case, it just, the difference is that it broke on our resistance trend line, which gives us an opportunity to buy instead of selling, which we had on the USD JPY. So in this case, and another thing, we analyzing USD CAD right now on the H4 time frame. Our entry would definitely be looking at this level, and 50 pips, quite far. sorry, it's quite far. The reason being is that our chart pattern, it's much smaller than the previous ones we had. You'll also see there's one that I'm going to analyze right now. It's actually a huge horizontal chart pattern, and you'll see that, you'll actually see that, be able to see and spot the difference on a smaller and a larger chart pattern, the disadvantages there. So here would be our target. Target around that level, and a stop loss there. Change color, and that's it. So yeah, second currency pair that we analyzing, and it broke on our resistance trend line in this time around, and we bought over here, and we can see like it never even given us any challenges or problems, any major retest. It's just like a minor pullback over here, and price went straight up, even though it did get to consolidate for a few days over here, but eventually it did get to hit our target right there. So yeah, if we had traded this one, definitely would have made our maximum profits. The advantage is that from here on we actually saw like price continue going up. So if we had traded this one, we'd definitely be modifying and adjusting our trade so that we gain further trades by actually moving our target higher and higher as price goes up. So we gain better, I mean more profits. So here's the last one which I wanted to show you guys. It's actually a huge one, much better seen on the daily time frame, even though on a daily it becomes smaller, and quite huge on the H4. Actually very huge on the H4. But we can see if we move back to on daily, price consolidates in between that chart pattern over there, bounces a lot of times on the support trend line and 3 times on the resistance. Finally have our break and we sold it, and I believe if we have sold it and placed in our target and stop losses in place, we would have made maximum profits on this. Alright guys, yeah, I think that will be it with our horizontal chart patterns. And yeah, thank you guys for watching our YouTube video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do make sure that you subscribe, because we'll be uploading a whole lot of new videos soon. And yeah, I'm probably planning on bringing in something different so that you guys can actually enjoy and be able to understand much better on all the strategies and video content which I share with you guys. So make sure that you subscribe, like, any comment, do share your comments on the description. I'd definitely like to engage and share and communicate more with you guys with all your trading challenges. Otherwise, I do hope, wish you guys all the best on your tradings. If you have any questions, like I said, do comment either on the below in the description or on my Instagram page. So yeah, wish you all the best guys. Make sure that you do read or have yourself a copy of this ebook. If you haven't received any, check on the details after the video or down by the description, will be sorted. Thank you guys once more, and yeah, see you on the next video.